Here I am going to solve question number 3 for class 8, exercise 5.1. The question is as follow. The weekly works of 30 workers in a factory are this. Using telemarks, make frequency table with interval as 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. So this is the data given here. With the help of this data, you have to make the frequency table. To make a frequency table, you should find the lowest number and the highest number. That means the smallest number. If you find here 804 is the smallest number. Now find the highest number. That is 890. This is the highest number. So in this data, this is the lowest number and this is the highest number. So uh, change this data into round figure. That means take a number that is 800 and the highest number, so it will be 900. This is the range. Among this range you have to divide this data into class interval. So to make a frequency table, you have these things: class interval, telemarks and frequency. As it is already mentioned that interval should be 800 to 810. So take the interval 800 and 810. So this is the first interval. In this interval, you have to find out how many numbers are there. One things you should be remember there. This is the continuous class interval. Look at here. This is 810. I will write here 800 to 810. Again 810 to 820. Now, if you count 810 in this interval and again if you count 810 in this interval, then the number will be repeated and the total number that will be increased, which will be the wrong. So in this case, 800 is the lower limit and 810 is the upper limit. So we take the numbers starting from 800 to 809, not 810. Actually in this rule you have to take 809.99 but not 810. So here you take only the number for 800 to 810. Take the number which are starting from 800 to 809. So here see three numbers are there. One is 804, another is 806 and another is 808. So the number are 3. That means in the class interval 800 to 810, the frequency, the number comes, that is 3. So this 3 is called the frequency and you write it as a frequency, and the telemarks that denoted as a 1 2 3, this is denoted as a 3. So we will write here. Next interval is 810 to 820. Just see here. Here the lower limit is 810. So you should starting counting from 810 to 819, not cross the upper limit. So between these, if you see here, the two numbers you will get between these. So 2 is the frequency. Just make the telemarks, that is 2. 2 is the number and telemarks is denoted as a this. Make two lines. So these are the process. So one by one you just see the frequency table and count the number. That will be the frequency interval, sorry, class interval and frequency. Similarly you will get the all frequency one by one, and in this case you will got, you prepare this table and this is your answer. Thank you.